Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Aviation400 here, and I'm back with another awesome model review. And this is the Aviation400 Aeroflot Airbus A350-900. I've had this model for a long time. I just never got a chance to reviewing it. I've actually had this model for a month now, so oh my goodness, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm kind of glad to be back onto YouTube. I'm just kind of glad everything is, school is over, if you guys didn't know. So that's awesome. And yeah, so let's just get started. So right away, here we have, this livery. When I show you how this model comes out, you guys will be, it's gonna be so amazing, mind-blowing. I don't know, the NG version is still there, so if you want to get it, this model and this livery is actually really amazing. So here's Aeroflot. It's in Russian, of course. Registration is Victor Quebec dash Bravo Foxtrot Yankee. Airbus A350-900 400 scale aviation art number. Really nice blue box. If you guys know, my favorite color is blue. But yeah, this is the Aeroflot. Their logo, I would say that's their logo. I think their logo has been similar for a long time, actually. It's just, of course, over the time when liveries change and stuff, there's been, modifications. Sorry, not moderations. But yeah, some legal information or something. Yeah, it just in many languages. I'm not sure where Aviation400 is made. I think Aviation400 could be a German company because of this. I could be wrong. This looks like German. But yeah, I guess Aviation400 is one of those companies that are quiet, just like Phoenix and JC and all those, and Aero Classics. So not like Gemini Jets or NG, where they have their own website and all that stuff. So yeah, so that's it for this part. Let's get on with the unboxing. Oh, I forgot. I actually, well, yeah, that's really cool. Wow, yeah, that's awesome. All right, so that's a stand. If you guys, yeah, that's cool. I'll actually test that stand out. Usually these stands are not that good, but wow, this thing is awesome. So all right, so the hardest and worst part of the video is putting this stuff back in, but oh well, I got it in. Wow, just take a look at that. Wow. They did a really awesome job on this thing, man. The details, all the markings and everything, it's really cool. It's so kind of realistic looking light here. It's awesome. It's not really a light, of course, but it's like some kind of gem or whatever. Not gem, but some plastic, jewel or whatever. Looks awesome. It's down here as well. This is kind of like my Qatar A350. This is just awesome. I'm not sure what happened to the Delta A350 order. I think one commenter said that there was some issues with the licensing or whatever, that Delta wasn't allowing them to make that model, so that unfortunately got canceled. Sorry, there's something here. But yeah, this thing is sick. Just the livery and the colors and everything, it's just awesome. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that same style I did with the double American review. If you guys didn't see that video already, go check it out. But I'm not gonna say the cockpit windows and all that stuff, because you guys already know that stuff. So I'll just give you some basic information for Aeroflot and stuff, so that's pretty cool. So Aeroflot is the 4th oldest airline in the world, currently in operation. Of course, after Qantas, Avianca, and KLM. It used to be Mexicana, or Mexicana used to be the 4th oldest airline, but they don't exist anymore, so now Aeroflot took that place. And Aeroflot, you know, they have a huge history, just like with aircraft. They had all those. They used to have those Illusion. If I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, my apologies. But Aeroflot used to have those Illusion aircraft, those Tupolev and all those aircraft, and just like LOT and just like LOT Polish Airlines, like I believe many other airlines as well, Maliv. I think that a bunch of airlines had those aircraft, and then I guess they switched on to, like, I guess Boeing and Airbus aircraft. So that's those, like, I just kind of find those interesting, like how those aircraft developments and fleet changes and stuff over time. And it's just amazing to see. So yes, this is Aeroflot, of course, in Russian. I think that says Russian Airlines in Russian. I could be wrong. Wait, I believe so. Yes, it is. Okay, so this side is all English. Aeroflot is in English. Russian Airlines is in English. And I'm not gonna pronounce that name, but I forgot. I think I did actually look this person up. I totally forgot what his name was. I'll put it in the top here. I think he was a Russian philosopher. But yeah, I don't remember who he was exactly, but yeah, he'll be in the top there. But yeah, Sky Team logo, the Russian flag, what is that, static port? Yeah. Really good, really awesome detailing here. Part of the registration, FY in the nose gear, on door. I meant. Runway light right there. The very nice. This is the Rolls Royce. Actually, never mind. This is not JC wings. I usually put Rolls Royce engines. Very nice. Or the correct engine will of course be on the top screen and in the description as usual. But the engines are very nice. I like the fact that it's like blue, and then I don't know if you guys can of course disagree with but I think this livery may be better than the old one. I think I might be, that's just my opinion. But yeah, I think that many people like the fact that the old livery was silver here, but this is the newer livery. Well, I believe it's their newer livery. I'm not sure if it's just the livery for the A350, just like what Malaysia Airlines did with their A380s. They got just a special livery for that. A few other airlines did the same thing. China Southern did that for their 787s. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is just that livery for the A350, but I kind of like this better than the other one. Just the fact that I'll show you actually why. Victor Quebec - Bravo Foxtrot Yankee. Back of there's the APU right there, and you can see all those antennas and like 3D, markings and stuff. The beacon lights here, it's awesome. So the cargo doors here and here, and of course the green navigation light. Now I'm gonna just quickly show you the top and bottom, of course. So flap slats, aileron spoilers, no step markings, of course. Basic stuff. Antennas, Wi-Fi box here. Just really cool, good stuff. Now this is what I absolutely love about the livery. You see this silver like coloring here is kind of going down this way. So here's the Russian flag and the tail and such. Then there's the silver coloring going all the way down, just like the old livery. However, this tail colors and everything all cuts over here. and the fact that the silver is like separating from that, it's just so nice. There's Aeroflot in the bottom in English. Got the stand, nose gear, doors, nose gear. Oh, sorry, main gear, doors, and main gear, nose gear. Bottom of the wings, registration right there, very awesome. APU housing doors, and yeah, so that's just awesome. So really awesome detail by Aviation400. Easy Toys. I got this model from Easy Toys, so this is awesome. And I'm actually going to show you the stand right now, so I'll get into that in detail. Alright, so I took out the stand. That I didn't want to waste anybody's time, but the unfortunate part is the stand does not fully go in, and that's because of this. You see this this thing here? It's protruding, and it's kind of taking up the space for the stand, if you can see. So I'm gonna have to trim that off. And what you just do is put it in and slide it forward. So yeah, I'm gonna have to trim that off somehow. But also the stand, I'm gonna show you if the stand will work. I'm not gonna force it in, of course, because I don't want to damage the model. And the stand doesn't go in. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna force it. But yeah, the stand hole is a bit too small. But that's not a big deal. Of course, you know, a little surprising, but not that big of a deal. It's honestly, I don't really use the stand at all usually. I just usually like to display my models or something. But yeah, the stand was a failure, kind of. But oh well. But that's still a nice feature that happens. So, well, yeah. And I usually don't show this, but actually, the nose gear rolls nicely. The main gears don't. Which is not a big deal, but they tilt. See that? This one doesn't tilt that much, but yeah. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share if you're new. Put in the comments below what you think of this livery. Put in the comments below what you think of this video. What did you think of the model or the livery? Do you like this livery more, or do you like the old livery more? I would like to know what your opinion is. But yeah, this is awesome. This is like definitely an amazing model. Definitely one of my top favorites, I would say. But yeah, just the details and everything, it's just fantastic. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. And oh, I didn't show you guys properly, but the winglets are kind of like it matches the tail. And I like the fact that the Russian flag colors here, the blue on there, is lighter than the tail color. So that's awesome. Just an awesome livery in general. So thanks for watching, guys. Enough with my talking and blabbering. I'll let you guys go. I'll catch you later in the next video.